Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best shower stem removal tool is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked gadgets for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast facing the common frustration of a stubborn shower stem that refuses to budge, making those much-needed repairs or upgrades a daunting task that can quickly turn into a plumbing nightmare if you don't have the right equipment. Number 5. DURATECH Shower Valve Socket Wrench Set. Introducing the DURATECH Shower Valve Socket Wrench Set, designed for efficient tub and shower valve removal. This comprehensive set ensures you have the right tool for the job. This set includes 5 double-ended wrenches with a convenient bar handle and a holder for easy storage. The hex-shaped bodies offer versatility for use with an adjustable wrench. It features 5 common socket sizes: 2132 inch x 2732, 2932 x 3132, 1 to 132 x 1-332, 1 to 532 x 1-932, and 1 to 1132 x 1 to 716. Always ensure your fittings are standard size for a perfect fit. Crafted from long-lasting solid steel with a nickel-plated surface, these tools are built for durability. The sockets and connecting rod are securely linked with a stainless steel wire. Using it is straightforward: turn off the water, remove the handle, place the correct end over the valve stem nut, insert the handle, and turn clockwise to tighten. It makes maintenance a breeze. This plumbing socket wrench set is ideal for both removing and installing tub and shower valves, fittings, and nuts. It's the essential tool for any plumbing job. What we like. This set offers a comprehensive range of sizes for various shower valve stems. It includes a convenient bar handle for better grip and leverage. If you're a DIYer tackling multiple shower valve repairs or dealing with a variety of faucet types, this comprehensive set is a great choice for its versatility. What people say. The tool is designed to grip the stem securely, preventing damage to the surrounding faucet body. Its compact size allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces, making it ideal for various shower valve types. The durable construction ensures longevity, even with frequent use in professional plumbing settings. Number 4. Moen Cartridge Puller Tool. Introducing the Moen Cartridge Puller, your essential tool for faucet maintenance. This device is designed to make cartridge removal and replacement simple and efficient. Crafted from solid brass with a chrome-plated finish, this tool is built for durability. Its robust construction ensures it can handle tough jobs. Specifically engineered for Moen sink, bathroom, and tub faucets. It's perfect for addressing leaky faucets and performing necessary repairs. This versatile tool is compatible with Moen cartridge models 1222, 1225, and 80933. It fits both brass and plastic cartridges seamlessly. By easily eliminating leaky faucets, this tool helps you conserve water and reduce energy consumption. Make your faucet work efficiently again. What we like. This tool is specifically engineered for Moen faucets, ensuring a perfect fit for cartridge removal and replacement. Its solid brass construction guarantees durability and longevity. If you have Moen fixtures and are experiencing leaks or need to replace a cartridge, this specialized tool will make the job straightforward and efficient. What people say. The tool is designed to grip the stem securely, preventing slippage during removal. Its compact size allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces around the shower valve. The durable construction ensures it can withstand the torque required for stubborn stems. Number 3. Essential Values 1224 Moen Replacement Faucet Cartridge, 2-pack. Get incredible value with this 2-pack of high-quality replacement cartridges. They are designed to work perfectly for your shower faucets, ensuring longevity and performance. Experience unrestricted water flow and say goodbye to unwanted leaks. Our aftermarket cartridges ensure your shower runs smoothly and efficiently, thanks to their quality construction. Engineered with a combination of brass and extra-durable plastic, these cartridges are built to last. They are designed to keep your plumbing working at peak performance. Installation is a breeze. You don't need to replace your entire fixture. Simply switch out your old cartridge with the new one in just a few easy steps. These cartridges are designed to be the perfect fit for your shower. Measuring 258 inches, they are specifically made to seamlessly integrate with your existing fixture. What we like. Get great value with this 2-pack of cartridges, designed to be compatible with Moen 1224 models. They are built with durable brass and plastic to ensure long-lasting performance and improve water flow. If you're looking for an economical and reliable solution to fix leaks and restore your shower's efficiency, this 2-pack is an excellent option. What people say. This tool is designed to remove shower stems. It has a specific design for shower stem removal. The tool functions to remove shower stems effectively. Number 2. General Tools 188 Shower Valve Wrench Set. Introducing a comprehensive 5-piece shower valve wrench set. It includes 5 double-end wrenches, a bar handle, and a convenient holder for easy storage. This set offers a range of precise sizes to fit various applications. You'll find wrenches measuring 2132 by 2732, 2932 by 3132, 1 to 132x 1 to 332, 1 to 532x 1 to 932, and 1 to 1132x 1 to 716. Designed with a longer length, these tools provide easy access to recessed valve stems. This is especially useful when working with tile-covered walls. The hex-shaped body allows for versatile use with an adjustable wrench. This feature enhances its adaptability to different tasks. For added convenience, there's a hole near each end. You can insert a long screwdriver here to gain extra leverage when turning. From General Tools, a leader in precision tools. We empower artisans and DIYers to work smarter and more productively. What we like. This wrench set is designed with a longer length, making it ideal for reaching recessed valve stems, especially in tiled walls. The hex-shaped body allows for easy use with an adjustable wrench, and an extra hole provides added leverage with a screwdriver. If you frequently encounter deep-set shower valves or need extra reach and torque, this tool's design will be a significant advantage. What people say. The tool is designed to grip the stem securely, preventing damage to the surrounding faucet body. Its compact size allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces, making it ideal for various shower valve models. The durable construction ensures longevity, even with frequent use in professional plumbing settings. Number 1. DANCO 3-Handle Remodel Trim Kit for American Standard Colony Faucets. Revitalize your bathroom with this essential remodel kit. It's designed specifically for American Standard Colony 3-handle faucets, making updates simple and effective. This kit includes everything you need: hot, cold, and diverter handles, along with stems, seats, flanges, and sleeves. You'll have all the components for a comprehensive faucet rebuild. Crafted with durable brass construction, this trim kit ensures strength and reliable performance. It's built to withstand daily use and provide long-lasting functionality. We've made installation easier for you. A socket wrench is included in the package, simplifying the process of updating your faucet. Featuring a classic chrome finish, this kit will beautifully update and complement your existing bathroom decor. Achieve a polished and cohesive look with minimal effort. What we like. This is a complete remodel kit specifically for American Standard Colony 3-handle faucets, including all necessary handles, stems, and seats. It also comes with a socket wrench to simplify installation and features a classic chrome finish to refresh your bathroom's look. If you're looking to update the appearance and functionality of your American Standard Colony shower with multiple handles, this all-in-one kit offers convenience and a stylish upgrade. What people say. This tool is a lifesaver for removing stubborn shower stems. It worked perfectly on my old Moen shower valve. The design is clever and makes the job much easier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.